Nestled in the northeast corner of Washington State, thousands of miles of forest blanket the landscape. But underneath that canopy, there's a storied history and robust communities who adore this corner of the state.
It seems like this is kind of a quieter corner of Washington. Is that safe to say?
Yeah, in the 3 counties up here, this whole region, we could say there's 11 people per square mile.
Okay, wow.
Shelly Stevens is the regional marketer for the Tri-County Economic Development District. And if you love the outdoors, then this is the perfect place for you.
If you like outdoor recreation, we have millions of acres of public lands up here.
Okay.
Come in the winter and ski, snowshoe. It's hunting season right now. We have more wild turkeys in Northeast Washington than the rest of the state combined.
Most of them are in my yard.
Yeah.
Kettle Falls is rich with history. Lake Roosevelt was created by the Grand Coulee Dam, and now the history of fur trapping, missionary work, and thousands of years of indigenous history are just below the surface.
What's the significance of this mission?
Well, this was at the time kind of the hub for the settlers and the fur trappers. We can't talk history and relevance and importance without mentioning the indigenous peoples that have been here for, time immemorial. So there is a lot of that history to be seen here.
So what are we looking at here?
This is called the Sharpening Stone. Before Lake Roosevelt was formed by the construction of Grand Coulee Dam, and this was just the Columbia, the Kettle Falls were right over here, and it was a gathering spot for indigenous tribes to fish for salmon with their spears, and the sharpening stone is where they would sharpen their spear points.
Right,
and you can see the grooves.
The grooves that are all here in the front of this. Look at this.
It's just something to think, thousands of years, how many thousands of spear points were sharpened on this.
And it just wasn't that long ago. There used to be a fort right down here.
Yeah, can you believe it? Right down in that valley before it was flooded. That is where Fort Colville once stood. Every year in the spring, they draw the water level of Lake Roosevelt down very low. And depending on the year and how far they draw it down, sometimes you can actually see outlines of agriculture zones and
right.
in different areas.
Wow.
There's a lot under that water out there.
Just right there.
Yeah.
This is an old mission.
This is it. This is St. Paul's Mission, or I should say it's a restored version of the original mission. This was, of course, missionaries who built this and to engage with the locals. And it's just stood in this same place for probably hundreds of years in one form or another. You see how wide the floorboards are, and that's old growth.
This is definitely one of those situations where you say, if these walls could talk.
Yeah, really. Yeah, it's remarkable.
There is so much history, beauty, and open space to see in Kettle Falls and the surrounding area. So if you get the chance, take a trip and see it for yourself. Who knows what adventures await?